Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Nadia. I do makeup, fashion and lifestyle videos. Today I am going to show you how I straighten this hair. Actually show you what my hair really looks like. It is colored hair and it has been through a lot, and yeah, we'll just get right into it. So basically, to start everything, I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, so I would like this the straightening to stay for at least another 2 days. So I am going to use the Bardez dry shampoo. This is the floral and flirty blush. It smells really nice. So what I will do is I will just pull up like some sections and just put that in my hair like so. This is how I do it. There are different ways of using dry shampoo, but this smells so good and it makes your hair feel fresh and clean. And also what I do look like a mess. What this helps in when straightening your hair is it gives it a little volume, so that's why I like doing that. So next what I am going to do is kind of section my hair. So what I do is I just lift up all the hair from crown like that, and I will just tie that into a little bun and put a little hair tie around that. Yeah, what we did is we just took this section and just bun this up, and what I'm going to use now is the L'Oreal Heat Protect Styling Spray. Guys, you must always use heat protectant, and so I like to do it section wise. You can even put that all over your hair, so just spray like some like that, and just then what I do is I separate that in the middle like so, and let's get started. So yes, I was saying I use the GHD Professional Styler with ceramic technology. I have had this hair iron for the longest time. It's been years and years and years. It has never ever given me a problem. I hope it doesn't now, and I love it, and it's really quick and easy. So what I will do is I'm using this wide toothed comb, and I will take this section. I don't really work in small sections because I'm always in a hurry, so I just take that and yeah, I put the comb underneath like that, and then grab that, and as I'm dragging the hair iron, I put the comb back in so I can run the hair iron at least twice or thrice or however long. So as you can see, this has already kind of straightened the hair with just a few goes, and that's why I really love this hair iron. So then we do the other side, the same thing. Really easy with this hair iron. So I would really recommend to invest in a really good hair iron, because you know, like this one I said lasted me for years and years and years. So once I am done oops, with that part, like I'll just show you, that's what it looks like. So it's already kind of straightened. I don't like really poker straight. It's really difficult for me to get to like this part, so sometimes I will like just take that there closer to the scalp and just drag that like that, so that is done. So the next thing is I let this little bun loose and I take another section. So again I pick out like that, and just so that I can have another section of hair to work with, and then bun that up again in the same way. Just put that hair tie up there, and then just give it a little comb, and literally the same steps. So when you come back to like the second layer on the top, you can automatically kind of know which is the part that you've done and which is the part you haven't. So here I know that it's the top part, so I grab that again and just run that hair iron again. I don't really require it to be perfectly straight. If I really want it super straight and sleek, I would probably go to a salon to get that done. Be careful of your ears, guys. I shouldn't have been wearing earrings to do this, but it's okay. I'm filming a YouTube video, you know. And then we go with the next section. Okay, so now we take this section and we will roll that up. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And oh, look what I found. So I'll just put that like that. And again, separate the hair kind of in the middle. Like so. Give that a good comb through. And spray some of the heat protectant. And then go in with the next section. So literally the same thing all over again. I think I'm like happy with that, and then we will just let this front section loose. Give that a little comb, and I generally bring that up in the front, and then spray that. Close your eyes. And just run that through, and again give it a comb. You just take the whole thing and then just give that an iron in the front. Almost like it from the Addams Family. Is that even the song of the Addams Family? I don't remember. I used to love that show. Can you even see me, guys? Oh, yeah. Hi! Yeah, so that is how I do my hair, guys. So after that is done, I just bend my head like so. So you can see now, since I've done that, it really because I use the Bardez dry shampoo, I have a lot of volume up here, and you know, my hair, guys, is generally very dry because it has been through hell of a lot. It's been through straight permanent straightening, it's been to perming, it's been through so many color jobs and so many other treatments that now, you know what, like if I'm gonna turn bald, so be it. But yeah, so then once I'm done, I kind of put the hair in its place like how I want it, like the parting and whatever, and then I can, like these bits here is what annoys me, so then I just grab that and go as close as I can to just, and then I just do like these small pulls of hair. And yeah, that's what I do. And then if I want this to kind of stay there as a partition, I just grab that there and just go over it again. And since my hair cut is like this layered thing here in the front, I do grab this, and when I am dragging the ends, when I get to the ends, I kind of turn this inwards towards me. So then, you know, it sits nicely like that. And yeah, I think we are almost done. And that is my straightened hair. I hope the back is good. Like, see, I was saying, this part, like at the crown here, is what always gives me a problem. But we're not going to bother with that much. Yeah, that's much better. So after we're done with that, as you can see, my hair is nice and, you know, decent now. I will take this Amazon series, a sari oil treatment, and I will just take a little dollop like that and rub that in my hands and really put that in the ends. By the way, this really smells so good. I am a big sucker for products that smell good because I love a good smell. I love to smell good, so if my hair smells good, that's even better. Yeah, and just, you can see that it has added a bit of a sheen to my hair, which is always a good thing because my hair is in really bad condition. That's it guys, that's how I straighten my hair. I hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. If you did, don't forget to do what you have to do, that is like the video, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, until next time, love you all, bye.